just in for the back.
Hi, Melanie. What's the tire key for?
Huh?
The tire key, what's it for?
Your locking lug nut.
So nobody steals your tires.
Oh, so that nobody can just come up to the car and do what he's doing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's a fun fact. Only your front wheel has it.
Okay, so nobody can steal your front tires, but they could
Did you see what I did with Spider-Man?
still steal your back tires.
He's a dash ornament now.
Alright, so three out of the 4 for wheels have it.
Okay, so people can only steal one tire.
You think I'll be able to jack up the car? I've done that successfully.
You should be able to jack up the car. So now underneath you should see little arrows. Right? So you see little arrows? You're technically supposed to jack the car up right there.
Okay.
But we have to put a jack stand there, so we have to move the jack further back.
Right, because this is going to go by those arrows.
So we get it as close as possible, but
You leave the space for the jack stand.
we gotta leave a little bit of space so we can put it up on jack stands.
Okay. And then I'm just going like that, right?
And go back up and keep doing.
Yeah, keep doing it until the tire lifts up off the ground.
I didn't like that noise.
That ain't gonna go anywhere. You got the emergency brake on, and I got wheel things on both sides.
How much more you want me to go?
Tires off the ground.
Until the tires like lift up, lift up.
The tire needs to be lifted up off the ground.
Okay, we know Sarah does not have a European car. She has a Kia Forte, which she is just using while she goes through nursing school. When she graduates nursing school and has her nursing job, she will be in the market for a new Volkswagen and is very excited to get to that point where she can get her Volkswagen on her own without any help or anything. So it's something she is looking forward to, but in the meantime, she will be driving her little Kia.
Alignment or something.
I mean, we already established that my wheel is weird, so I probably do need an alignment.
You need a stabilizer bar. Or a stabilizer bar attaching link.
How much are those?
The boot was ripped on that, and all the grease leaked out of it.
That doesn't sound good.
You need that. Your brakes are not right for right now.
How soon will those need to be replaced?
You drive on Route 1 in Stuart, who knows?
Everybody's guess. Rotors are just about ready to
Careful.
go.
How much are those? This is expensive. I don't like it.
Maybe we should just get you gift cards to AutoZone for Christmas.
Maybe you should.
It depends. I don't know how. These are the original rotors that came in the car. I don't know how.
Swap out Ulta for AutoZone.
I know you definitely need.
Swap out Amazon for AutoZone. Okay.
You're like, so about old time. I was like, ah.
You're gonna need tires soon. Why you take the cap off? The reason why you take the cap and the dipstick plug out is so that you have pressure, so that the air.
Oh, the air goes in and helps push it out.
Yeah. Are you really supposed to do that? Somebody's gonna tell you don't do that because it gets dirt in your motor. I've done that ever since I've changed oil.
Well, dirt never killed anyone. As long as you're not pouring fucking sand in, it shouldn't matter. We don't have sandstorms here in Florida, so.
So now that it's pretty much drained all the way out, now you can put the dipstick.
We're dripping.
Alright, so now you're gonna reach underneath there with the bolt and screw the bolt back in. You're gonna get oil all over your hands again. I put it on top of the thing.
Ow. Hey, buddy.
Make sure you're following us on Instagram so that you can be up to date on where we will be with the cars next and as to what we are doing with them.
Now it looks like A1 sauce.
Let us know in the comments below what Volkswagen you think would be the best fit for Sara and why.
You're gonna wipe around that area. Give me the wrench, because you're not gonna be able to tighten this up enough to.
There you go.
So wipe all the oil around. Thing, you're gonna reach your hand up there and
get oil on me.
yeah, you're gonna get oil on you. You're gonna get oil on you.
You're gonna get chocolate syrup and A1 sauce all over your hands.
Don't tell me that. I'll lick it.
That oil filter, you can let drop. You don't have to worry about that. You can, once it unscrews from the car, you can let that go down into the oil pan. It's not a big deal. Well, hold on to it. And
Stick your
flip it
hand in the
upside
hole.
down.
Huh?
There's a hole up
That's what I'm about to ask Dad. Dad, where the fuck am I going?
in the
What's that
hole.
white thing? See the white thing hanging down? You're gonna unscrew that.
This?
Yeah, the white thing. You're gonna unscrew it.
I hope. Okay. Okay.
So when that, I told you it's gonna start leaking some oil.
It was so warm. That's what I didn't expect. It's like having somebody pee on you, which should be familiar for me.
You let people pee on you?
I'm the oldest of 3. You haven't had one of us pee on you?
I mean,
Yeah.
I didn't mean for you to throw it in there, but okay. When you're doing this, up underneath,
Uh-huh.
like I'm gonna have you climb underneath here and look when I'm done wiping it. Now, if you go to an oil change place, likeliness of them doing this, they're not going to, but no, that shiny circle part.
Right.
That's where the rubber thing goes from your oil filter.
Oh.
See it?
Yeah.
Make sure you wipe all the old oil off of that. Make sure there's no rubber seal on it. See this rubber seal here? You make sure that's not on there. Because if it is, then you put this one on there, it's gonna leak like a motherfucker all over the place.
And then you dip your finger in the oil and you rub it around the rim.
Dip your finger in some clean oil.
We use STP or Mobile. We're not sponsored by them, but we use those for oil filters because Dad says the other brands suck.
No, I said Frams. All I said was Fram sucks.
Sorry, Fram sucks.
They're cheap ass filters and you pay more money for them, so there's no point. And then make sure that thread's on straight and screws on straight.
Yes, sir.
If you are not subscribed to our channel, make sure you are now. Go ahead and click that button.
Okay, so normally we also use Lucas's oil stabilizer. We do about a quart of it in mine since my oil capacity is... I can't believe she's letting me hold her phone with my dirty hands. So normally we also use Lucas's oil stabilizer. I use about a quart of it because my total capacity in my car is 4.5 quarts. But I guess Dad said since we did it last time, I shouldn't have to do it this time. It's also because we use... I think he said it has something to do with us using this type of oil. That's the type of oil I use. My car takes 5W20. We do full synthetic. And I'm going to dump about, the 4.5 quarts in. So I buy the 5-quart container.
Again, we know most of you that are watching this already know how to change your oil, but there are some people who don't and just want to save money and not have to pay somebody else to do it. So, and again, we're doing this as a refresher for Sara when she does do her oil when nobody is around her.
Yeah, like I said, my dad's never let me go under the car before, so I knew how to change the oil and I could walk you through the process already. But when it came to like physically being in the car and seeing what to unscrew, that's something I didn't know. So for those of you that might also be trying to teach your kids or your daughters,
Or sons.
or sons,
Or
I said
yourself.
kids or daughters, yeah, or yourself. I mean, there's no shame in not knowing.
This is why we're posting this.
Get out. Wipe this off.
We already wiped off the top of this. Screw it back in.
Yep, screw it back in.
Good?
Yeah.
It made the click.
Gonna have to be, make sure we're showing oil on the dipstick, which we are. Obviously it's probably going to look a little low because we're sitting on an angle. So if we're at the angle that we're sitting at, yeah, because you're barely below the full line. So once the car gets level, it'll be at full. So now,
ta-da!
start the car. Oh no, wait, this gotta get pushed. You gotta get pushed
Just
back
kidding.
in.
Okay, don't forget to put your parts back on.
Now we start the engine.
Smells good. We're giving Spider-Man a friend. He wants a buddy.
Spider-Man has his very own Christmas tree.
He has his very own Christmas tree.
I put your other ones here.
In the dash. Yeah, that's where I was planning on keeping them. Alright, she good?
That's it.
If you like watching a father's constant frustration with his daughter's lack of mechanical skills, leave us a like, drop us a comment, or head on over and subscribe.